Okay, I'm back. Just needed some wire cutters. So I'm just gonna cut that. And so that went down below here. I'm gonna kind of just put the wires in order of where they were. So that way, when we put this stuff back, we know where it goes. So this is all old from when the house was built over 20 years ago. So, wow, that ground was really loose. Okay, so there's our old switch. And yeah, so it's gonna go in this direction. Yeah, okay. So, what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to first hook up the ground so it's on there. I don't know if it was even put on the right way. Maybe it was. But either way, I gotta get this on there. So, actually, I'm gonna get my flathead screwdriver for this because it might be easier to move it. My hand here. Okay. There we go. Alrighty. Okay, so got started. Kind of started. My hand here because they're just tight and wide open. So, alrighty. So I'm gonna put this on there. The ground on. So that'll work good. Make sure it's snug on there. Alrighty. That was not tight on there at all. Never did that last. So okay. So now I'm gonna strip these. I've got 14 gauge wire here, so that's what I'm gonna do here. Alrighty. 14 gauge wire. I'm gonna just go ahead and strip them all. That way we've got all prepped and ready. It's good to strip to fresh wire if you can. So, yeah. I'm sorry, I'm having a hard time here. There we go. Wow. So, alrighty. So, okay. There's that, and we're going to basically loop this wire the best we can. You want it looped in the direction that it's going to turn. So, like in the direction that the screw is going to tighten. So, I'm going to try to do that. Alrighty. Okay. So, actually, let's come out just a little bit more. So, okay. Let's squeeze that together just a little bit more. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so that'll tighten down. Move that just a little. Needs to be stripped a little bit more. Ugh. Don't want it stripped too much, but you want it stripped enough to where it'll actually make contact. So this is not wanting to come off. There we go. So, alrighty. So okay. Alright. That's much better. So that red wire is on there. Now, I'm going to put the lower black wire on the gold screw. Being how difficult that one was, I probably need to strip this one just a little bit more. Okay, there we go. It needs to go in the direction that it's going to turn once again. So, okay. Alrighty. Try to pull back just a little bit. Okay, that should be good enough. It's under the screw. Okay. So that is that. And then curve the other one like we just did. And I apologize for my camera work. It's not always easy to do these videos when you're trying to focus on the task at hand here. So, alright. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to put that on. Let's see. So it turns. To the right. So I'm going to make sure that our wire hooks on the direction that the screw turns. So that's important. Oops. And thankfully there's enough wire to work with here. Sometimes there's not as much, and then you gotta add some wire. So, alrighty. Yeah. Try and pinch this together a little bit more. If I can. There we go. That is being a pain. Wow, okay. So, alrighty. And then just tighten her up. So that's that. And now I'm just gonna bunch these wires up. Get your switch into the wall. And we should be good. Okay, you should be good. You turn on the power, and if everything is wired correctly, it should work. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more. Bye-bye.